Hi guys, it's Robin from my alkaline vegan journey, and I thought I'd bring you along with a quick experiment I want to try with some pancakes. I have here some dates and walnuts. Medjool dates and terrasoul raw walnuts. These two can often be found at the base of really great alkaline vegan treats. A half cup of the walnuts and a half cup of the dates. Add that to the blender. Add 2 tablespoons of rye flour and a fourth of a cup of aquafaba. Add 1/4 cup of spring water, blend and pour into your hot pan. And this is what they'll look like. They are incredibly fluffy. I cut them and sprinkled them with a little agave, and I'm telling you, these things are amazing. And before I was so rudely sped up, I wanted to say that these are very fluffy, and they're very sweet. Adding the agave as syrup was really key because it kicks the dates into gear. And then the nuts make it really fluffy as well, because the nuts with the water is like the milk, and the milk being fluffed almost like a frothy type milk that's right there in the pancake. And because of the cloves, the dates, and the allspice and the Ceylon cinnamon, these were really very sweet and tasty and really stood out. So here we go, guys. This is it. Your alkaline vegan mukbang with walnut date pancakes.